अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे डिस्कवरीज एंड इन्वेंशंस। Galileo was first to discover rotation of Earth. Polar and Milstein discovered monoclonal antibodies. Photography was invented by Matthew Berry. Albert Sabin invented polio vaccine. पोलियो वैक्सीन जो थी वो डिस्कवर की अल्बर्ट सेबिन ने। डिमिट्री इवानोविक Mendeleev Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev published his first version of periodic table in 1869, जो कि रशियन था। और डिमिट्री इवानोविक मेंडेलीव ने अपना अपना जो था वो periodic टेबल डिस्कवर किया 1869 में। डिमिट्री इवानोविक मेंडेलीव, रशियन मेंडेलीव था ये। एक्सरे मशीन वॉज इन्वेंटेड बाय जेम्स क्लार्क. Arthur Campton discovered X-rays and cosmic rays. Chadwick discovered neutron telescope was invented by Galileo. Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Noble gases discovered by Cavendish. Gunpowder was first invented in China. Velocity of light was measured by Michelson. Archimedes gave laws about flotation of bodies. Balloon fly up in air according to Archimedes' principle. Doctor Christian Barnard was first to perform heart transplant in 1967 in Cape Town. डॉक्टर क्रिश्चियन बर्नर्ड पहले थे जिन्होंने हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट किया 1967 में केप टाउन में। फर्स्ट मैन टू रिसीव आर्टिफिशियल हार्ट वाज डॉक्टर बार्ने बी क्लार्क. डॉक्टर बार्ने बी क्लार्क पहला साइंटिस्ट था जिसने आर्टिफिशियल हार्ट रिसीव किया था. Barometer was invented by Pascal. Robert Hooke discovered cell in 1665. Aspirin discovered by Dresser. Atomic theory given by Dalton. Atomic number given by Moseley. Bacteria by Leeuwenhoek. Blood circulation by William Harvey. Calculus by Newton. Carbon dioxide by Fisher. Chlorine by K. Scheele. Oxygen by Priestley. Hydrogen by Cavendish. Superconductor by Ben Reynolds and Muller in 1987 and were awarded Nobel Prize. Cotton gin was invented by Ellie Whitney. Chloroform by Guthrie. Deuterium by Harlot. Dynamite by Alfred B. Noble. DNA by Watson Crick. Gene by Jonasson. Chromosomes by Valder. Electric resistance by Ohm. Electrolysis by Faraday. Electron by J.J. Thomson in 1897. Neutron by Chadwick. Proton by Rutherford. Positron by Anderson. ओजोन को किसने डिस्कवर किया था? इकोन बेन. प्लैनेटरी मोशन को डिस्कवर किया था केपलर ने. रेडियो एक्टिविटी वॉज डिस्कवर्ड बाय बैक्यूरिल. रेडियम बाय क्यूरी. इंसुलिन बाय बेंटिंग एंड बेस्ट. ह्यूमन हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट बाय बर्नर. वैक्सीन को डिस्कवर किया था पीबल्स ने. पीबल्स ने वैक्सीन को डिस्कवर किया था मीजल्स के लिए. वैक्सीन पोलियो की वैक्सीन जो थी उसको साक ने डिस्कवर किया था और मीजल्स की वैक्सीन को पीबल्स ने डिस्कवर किया था. रेबीज की वैक्सीन को डिस्कवर किया था लुइस पास्चर ने. वैक्सीन बाय स्मॉल पॉक्स एडवर्ड जेनर. Cause of malaria was discovered by Ronald Ross. Adding machine invented by Pascal. Atom bomb by Otto Hahn. Otto Hahn ने एटम बॉम्ब डिस्कवर किया था. Air brake by George Washington. Air conditioning by H. Carrier. Airplane by Wright brothers. Airplane with motor by Wright brothers. Airplane jet engine by O'Hare. Automobile electric by William Morrison. Automobile differential gear by Benz. Bakelite by Leo Hendricks Backland, Balloon by Mons Golfer, Barometer by Torricelli, Bicycle by Starley, Bifocal Lens by Benjamin Franklin, Burner by Bunsen, Calculating Machine by Charles Babbage, Camera, Photography camera was discovered by Joseph and Niepce, Carburetor by Daimler, Cement by Joseph Expedian, Circuit Beaker by Hilliard, Computer by J.P. Eckert and J.W. Mukle, Diesel engine by Rudolf Diesel, digital camera was invented by Eastman Kodak, gas engine by Daimler, electric fan by Wheeler, electric flat iron by Henry Seeley, electric generator by Hippolyte Pixie, electric motor by Michael Faraday, motor AC by Tesla, motor DC by Davenport, motor AC was discovered by Tesla, motor DC by Davenport, electric shaver by W.F. Hadaway, electric vacuum cleaner by James Spangler, electromagnet by William Sturgeon, electron microscope by Vladimir Zvirian, microscope by Janssen and Leeuwenhoek, flying shuttle by John Kay, gunpowder by Robert Bacon, gas engine, four cycle by Otto and Daimler, helicopter by Sikorsky, inter, internal internal combustion engine by Daimler, jet engine by Frank Whittle, knitting machine by William Lee, lamp by Thomas Edison, लैम्प इनकैंडेसेंट जो था उसको डिस्कवर किया थॉमस एडिसन ने. मोंटगो फ्लाइट इन्वेंटेड बैलून. Talbot invented photographic paper. Dickinson invented paper machine. Blanchard invented parachute. Paul's invention is pistol. Huey was the inventor of sewing machine. Huey invented the sewing machine. Lamp mercury was invented by Hewitt. Leather practical by Gordon Gould. Leather by T.H. Minman. Machine gun by Galting. Match safety by Pash. Microphone by Graham Bell. Motion pictures camera by Edison. Motorcycle by Daimler. Motor scooter by Bradshaw. Parachute by Gagnon. Pen by Waterman. Pen fountain by Waterman. Pen ballpoint John Lord Biro. Photoelectric cell by Julius Elster. Piano by Christopher. Printing press by Gutenberg. Radar by Watson Watt. Railway by Werner Siemens. Razor safety by Gillette. Gillette साइंटिस्ट का इसको डिस्कवर किया था. Razor by Jacob Schick. Refrigerator by Ferdinand Carré. Revolver by Samuel Salt. Rifle by August Porter. Rifle by John Moses Browning. Rocket engine by Goddard. Safety pin by Walter Hunt. Sewing machine by Elias Huey and Thomas Ant. Stainless steel by Harry Brearley. Stream boat by Evans. Submarine by Holland. Tank military by Swinton. Telephone by Graham Bell. Radio by Marconi. Telescope reflecting by Galileo. Telescope refracting by Newton. Television mechanical by J.L. Baird. Television electric by Franz Worth. Thermometer by Galileo. Thermometer mercury by Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit was the scientist who discovered the thermometer mercury. Tractor by Robert Keeley. Transformer by William Stanley. Transistor by William Shockley. Typewriter by Henry Mill. Washing machine electric by Alva Fisher. Washing machine manual by Hamilton E. Smith. Welding electric by E. Thompson. Zipper measured tooth by Gideon Sundback, Celsius device centigrade scale, bacteria were discovered by Louis Pasteur, Ramsay discovered inert gas, proton was discovered by Goldstein, who is credited with the development of polio vaccine, Jonas Salk, Christopher Croker invented what hovercraft, the electric chair was invented by a dentist, Bardeen and Brattain discovered semiconductor, what was invented by James Dewar in 1872, vacuum or thermostat, atom bomb, uranium fission was invented by Otto Hahn in 1941, electron was discovered in 1897, electron was discovered in 1897, oxygen was discovered in 1774, Thomas A. Edison was American. X-rays and cosmic rays were discovered by Arthur Compton. Printing press was invented by John Gutenberg. Gramophone was invented by Emil Berliner. Blood pressure was discovered by William Harvey. Magnifying glass was invented by Robert Bacon. Insulin was discovered by Banting. Michael Faraday invented electric motor in belonged to England. ECG invented by Inthogene. Columbus Day is observed on second Monday in October. In 1774, oxygen was discovered by Priestley. In 1589, William D. invented knitting machine. More than 2000 years ago, a Roman ruler, Julius Caesar, invented the calendar that we use today. Lipstick was first introduced in 1915 in America. Zipper was introduced in 1890. China was discovered by Marco Polo. Sea route from Europe to India was discovered by Vasco da Gama. Canada was discovered by Jacques Cartier. Australia was discovered by William John Young. Parachute was invented by L.F. Lenormand in 1783. Vox camera was invented by G. Eastman in 1988. Electric generator was invented by Hippolyte Pixid in the year 1832. He belonged to France. In 1907, electric washing machine was invented by an American named A.J. 1916. Motorcycle was invented by Gottlieb Daimler in 1885. He belonged to Germany. First person to reach North Pole was Robert E. Bray. Dynamo was invented by Faraday in the year of 1831. On 14th December 1911, South Pole was discovered by Armand Dent. America was discovered by Christopher Columbus in 1492. He belonged to Italy. Sea route to India was discovered by Vasco da Gama in 1498. He belonged to Portuguese. Sandwich Island was discovered by Captain Cook in 1770. He belonged to English. Suez Canal was designed by French engineer Ferdinand de Lesseps in 1869. Solar system was discovered by Copernicus in 1540. He belonged to Poland. Plane-needed motion was discovered by Kepler in 1600. He belonged to Germany. Artificial radioactivity was discovered by Madame Juliette and Irene Curie in 1934. Atomic number was discovered by Moseley in 1913. Atomic theory was discovered by Dalton in 1803. Who invented wax paper? Thomson Edison. Atomic structure was studied by Bohr and Rutherford in 1913. Circumference of the Earth was calculated by Jean Piccard. Current electricity was invented by Volta in 1800. He belonged to Italy. Cause of yellow fever was discovered by Reed in 1900. Discovery of oxygen was made by J. Priestley in 1774. Deuterium was discovered by H.C. Urey in 1934. Discovery of electron was made by J.J. Thomson in 1897. Dynamite was made by Alfred Nobel. He belonged to Sweden. Incandescent bulb was made by Edison in 1860. Intelligence tests were made by Binet in 1905. Laughing gas nitrous oxide was discovered by Priestley. Chromosomes were discovered by Hofmeister. Otto Hahn invented a bomb, atomic bomb. Wright brothers invented aeroplane. W. Shockley discovered transistor. Christian Barnett was pioneer in heart transplantation. William Harvey discovered circulation of blood. Ramsay discovered inert gas. Aristotle was the first to classify animals into groups. Theophrastus is regarded as the father of botany. Hydrogen was discovered by Henry Cavendish. Proton was discovered by Goldstein. Thomson discovered electron. Proton was discovered by Goldstein. Commercial coke is obtained from Quercus. Bacteria were discovered by Louis Pasteur. The scientist who discovered water, Anthony Lavoisier. Ernest Rutherford in 1908 with the equipment discovered the atomic nucleus. Hans Geiger invented the Geiger counter used to measure radioactivity. The scientist who designed the first internal combustion engine used to burn low-grade fuel. Francois Isaac de Rivas, who invented scissors. Leonardo da Vinci